Ciao Tesla people. Today a nice road trip, a short road trip to Cansano, which is that way, to escape a bit of the heat. Yesterday I went to Pesco Costanza, did a nice road trip, but I got caught in a hailstorm and a rainstorm, so I couldn't do much. The hailstorm, I made a video, but I couldn't, from the action cam, I couldn't see that much of the hail, but it was intense. It was very short, but intense. So I had to stop at the train station, try to cover up the car and, just to stop it for a bit. Anyway, so go to Cansano, I'll do the time lapse. Hopefully I can do some videos there. There is a nice little church to visit there, and I'll catch you later. So I'm in Cansano, which is 700 meters altitude, about 12 kilometers from where I'm staying, and we are inside the mountains. So this is the train station, and this train station is just used by a touristic train which is not electrified, and they run this train only few times a year. And they stop in this small train station, and they do local cuisine, and they sell wine and cheese and sausages, all that stuff, salami, all prosciutto, whatever. And that down there is the Majella mountain. It's the second highest mountain in the center of Italy. It's a national park here, the Majella National Park. So they have wolves and bears and stuff, so it's really cool, and there is nobody basically here. Very, very nice. It's kind of warm, and hopefully it's getting cooler. Anyway, very cool, the location and the views.